So here we are at the wheelchair doors. And this is what the framing wood, oh my gosh, looks like that was holding the doors on. So we are replacing that.
Oh, you forgot this piece.
Oh yeah.
Was up here.
Yeah. That just so wonderfully structurally sound piece of wood. So we're replacing it with that. So much prettier. And that piece to go up there and cover that. And lots of beetle tape to take out that skylight that we have right there right now. And that's the new piece that's going up there as well. Yeah. So up in this corner, we are using pliers to pull out what's left of some wood that used to exist. So we're taking this off as it just disintegrates. Wow. Lovely.
That's not what wood should do.
Cool. Okay, say it again.
You can see how this caulking wasn't doing its job because the rubber seal is wet, which led to all that.
Oh boy. Oh, I can see this better
We were
now.
trying to seal it with this too.
Mm. I've got more rotten wood there. I don't know if we're going to be able to replace that. We got that wood out. For a little bit down here. Yeah.
Like giving it a filling.
Yeah. So we decided to take this out and get it resealed because it's supposed to rain tonight, and we didn't want more wood rot than we already had. So this is what the bus looks like now, with the door completely taken off. And this is what the sky looks like right now. I don't like that. So we are working as quickly as we can. I just wiped all of this down. We're going to try to get this off as well, so that when we put butyl tape in and reseal it, it sticks and will be waterproof. Hopefully before it starts raining. Yeah, that one. Oh shit. Success! That's a little bit better than it was before.
Non-vacuumable wood.
Yay! Good job. So we decided that while we have the door out, there's no time like the present to replace this piece of wood, because the threshold of the door kind of comes out and over this wood a little bit, and that would be really annoying to try to cut this while it's still in here and shimmy in the other one underneath it. So Andy is out buying a circular saw because we don't have one yet. And I have measured out, we're gonna cut right here, keep all of that. So we're just replacing that square right there. So I have measured that out, and now I'm gonna go draw it on a piece of plywood and wait for the circular saw so we have nice straight edges on this piece of flooring. This is the floor coming up. just disintegrating, you know, good times. Here's the old one. And there's the new one, yay! So Andy is putting butyl tape along here, butyl putty, I don't know, whatever, along the frame of the door. We're going to do a second layer on the inside here, so it's going to be kind of 2-ply right in the middle, and we'll squish hopefully enough and completely seal it. And that's right where all the screws are going to, you can't see that at all, come through. We've got the floor in. It looks so much better because it exists. I've got that cut out for the latch. And the sky is blue. So we're feeling a little bit better. Okay, so we are working on putting the door back in. There's a few non-threatening clouds in the sky right now. And as we are putting it back in, it's just a little wonky. It doesn't really perfectly fit to the side of the bus, which I don't think it ever did. So I guess let's start outside. Okay. So outside we have this, where it's just kind of, it's a little far. You can almost get a full finger in there. It's just pulling away from the side of the bus. Whereas like up here, it's nice and flush. The butyl tape is really nicely filling it in. And on these two screws, they're not biting on anything. So we're pretty sure there's rotten wood behind there that we just couldn't see. So to fix that, I'm inside. And I have added this piece of wood that Andy is out at Home Depot right now grabbing screws that are hopefully at least twice as long. So they will go all the way through the fiberglass and into this piece of wood, and that will give him something to, the screws bite, something to bite on, to hold it in a little tighter, hopefully. And we'll see if that works. So the this thing that we planned to do worked like a charm. Those came all the way through, pull it in tight on the outside. Ta-da! Nice and tight for the most part. And we have the doors back on. Shiny new screws. No rust, mostly. And the doors are on. Huzzah!